How was school today, Alex?
It was great. Do you know what happened at school today?
What happened? Anything wrong?
Sam had a runny nose and high fever. His mother came and took him home after lunch because he wasn't feeling well.
Oh, that's sad. I hope he gets better soon. Now go and freshen up.
Okay, Mom. I'm very hungry. Can you please prepare something to eat?
What would you like to eat? Noodles or pancakes?
I prefer noodles.
Okay, you go to the washroom, and I'll prepare it.
The noodles are so yummy.
Do you want a little more?
No, I'm full. Can I watch some cartoons, please?
Okay, but just for 30 minutes. Not more than that.
Thank you, Mom.
Watching time is over. Now go and complete your homework.
All right.
Show me the tasks you have for today.
We have a lot of math homework.
Do you need any help?
No, Mom, I don't need any help. I can do it by myself.
Okay, after completing your homework, come for dinner. I've cooked rice and chicken roast.
The chicken is really spicy. It's burning my tongue.
Here, have some water. It'll be all right.
I've completed my dinner.
Okay, it's late. We should go to sleep. Tomorrow morning, you have school.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, dear.
বন্ধুরা, আমাদের চ্যানেলটি যদি তোমাদের ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব